Hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are all well. Microsoft Excel is daily use software in our day-to-day life. Use of shortcut in our day-to-day will make our life fast and easy. So, today I will share 4 shortcuts with you. Let's get into it. Number 1 is filter. The filter function allows you to filter a range of data based on criteria you define. The filter function lets you extract values or rows based on a condition or criteria. When we will work with a large data set, then it helps a lot. Let's watch this data sheet. Here I would like to sort the load case name live load. For that, I am selecting the row and then I am pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus L. See, the filter option is now open. From the drop down now I will select load case live. Here I have got the reaction force for live loads for every joint. To make the filter option off, press Ctrl plus Shift plus L again. The filter option will be off.
Now I am going to tell you today's second shortcut, which is Format Cell. With the Format Cells, we can change the appearance of a number without changing the number itself. We can apply a number format as well as other formatting like alignment, font, border, etc. with the help of Format Cell. The shortcut for Format Cell is Ctrl plus 1. With this I am getting a pop-up window. From this pop-up window I can format the number as well as cells. Now in my third shortcut I would like to show you how you can select a full column with a shortcut. In this Excel file I would like to choose the column G. For that I need to select a cell in the column, then I am pressing the key Ctrl plus space. Here I have selected the full column of G. Presenting my last shortcut tips of this video. Here we will see how to insert a column before selected column. To do that in this Excel sheet I am selecting a column. Suppose I am selecting the column G. I would like to add a column before column G. So G will be H and G column will be blank. To do so, I am selecting the column G and then pressing the shortcut key Ctrl plus plus. Here I have got a column added before my selected column. In a similar manner, if I select H and press shortcut key Ctrl plus minus, then the column will be deleted. Hope you have learned from this video. And it will help you in your daily Excel works. To know more, keep in touch with me. More video is coming.